Hello, everybody. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you are ready to get started with some learning this week. It is Monday, April 20th, and I would like to wish you well, and I hope that you have a wonderful week. And if you need to get in contact with me, you know how to reach me, email or Schoology. So today on the docket, we are going to do our daily share in our discussion thread in our homeroom for our check-in. Math, you're going to check in with your math course and go to that. Also, people who have targeted reading, it's also important to check your targeted reading courses, or sorry, targeted math course as well. Um, Reading core today, we have a communication changes over time activity that we'll be doing. Um, I have also included 30 minutes of reading of your personal choice book. Real-time journals should be up to by about 7 posts by now. Wood River or Wood Runner read up through chapter 5. We're going to start chapter 6 tomorrow. And then our Wonder Bubble, who is Samuel Adams, is due on Friday. Um, Social studies, there's no new learning today. Just make sure you're caught up. We will continue with that tomorrow. But in science, we are going to finish up the last part of the About Forces section. So in Discovery Ed, Miss Pickens has set up a really good lesson for you today, and she has also created a screencast that kind of goes through some of the directions that you're going to need to follow. Those are all attached to the directions in our science course. Um, WebEx meetings, there is no homeroom meeting today. Um, I will be posting those within the actual schedule in the course that has the WebEx. Again, so if it's a math meeting, I'll post it in the math section up here. My office hours this week again are Monday through Friday, 10 to 11. I'm there. Feel free to drop in, even if you just want to chat and say hi. I'm there, and I would appreciate that. Today, I'm not going to do any um, individual check-ins. I am still trying to check in with a couple students that I haven't heard from yet, but I will be getting that weekly schedule up so that everybody is aware of when they're going to meet with me and what to expect. Anyhow, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you need to get in contact with me, you can Schoology message me or you can email me. I will talk to you soon. Have a nice day.